Only recently, President Bola Tinubu issued a fresh directive to security and intelligence chiefs to intensify efforts to restore peace and stability in areas affected by violent attacks, particularly Plateau, Benue, and Borno States. Comply to the directives, some top military brass led by the Chief of Army Staff, General Olufemi Oluyede, relocated to the northeast to brainstorm and strategize on how best to meet up with the new instruction. Director, Defense Media Operations, Major General Markus Kangye disclosed this while addressing newsmen in Abuja on strides recorded in diverse military operations in the period under review. He said brainstorming session is to assess as well as block loopholes in order to meet up with the specific mandates of keeping the country safe from both internal and external aggression.
The Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Operations, and all other relevant staff officers are currently in the Northeast. They have been there for about 3 to 4 days now, and they are strategizing, assessing, and then blocking the loopholes in order to carry out to the letter the presidential directive.
On gains recorded by different operations, Major General Kangye said the terrorist leader were neutralized and kidnapped victims released.
I am pleased to report significant progress in our operations, which include neutralization of key insurgent leaders, destruction of several terrorist camps, as well as rescue of kidnapped victims and rehabilitation of civilians affected by the conflict. Our dedicated troops have demonstrated remarkable courage and professionalism in the face of adversity. We are collaborating closely with local and international partners to enhance intelligence sharing and operational effectiveness. The cooperation of local communities has also been invaluable in our intelligence gathering efforts.
The military did not relent on its operations as well as oil slave syndicates were crashed, stolen products recovered, large quantities of various arms and ammunition seized in the Niger Delta region.
Troops of Operation Delta Safe during the period of our review sustained operational tempo against crude oil thieves and criminals in the Niger Delta. They recovered about 147,521 liters of stolen crude oil, 96,450 liters of illegally refined automotive gas oil, and 3,105 liters of dual-purpose kerosene. Additionally, they discovered and destroyed 42 crude oil cooking ovens, 68 dock pits, 25 boats, 3 speed boats, 58 storage tanks, 66 drums, and 34 illegally refining sites.
He assured that the military will remain focused in defeating terrorists as it sustained its operations within the globally accepted price and standards. CNN News.